Hi folks, Nick Shaheen here, quickly recapping Delta Air. Came in as a request from a member. The member is in Leaps and wants to know what to do with Delta Air. I don't like to try Delta Airlines, so fundamentally I think they are challenged. Too many labor issues in the long run. They always find a way to mess things up. Now they're collecting money on everything. That's great. But I don't know how to trade them really. However, if I'm looking at this trade name, regardless of name, this is an incredible run up, and now there's a big change in one of their big assumptions, which is crude, gas, oil, whatever the fuel. Fuel must be coming down in price. However, it's set three in the last. It gapped up right here, but since it gapped up, three lower highs, and but still we have higher lows, so it's squeezing. So if I wanted to draw a triangle or sort or something like that, I can draw a line crudely, pun intended, like this. So now I would say, okay, it's got a decision to make here, regardless of way I draw the top, right? If I draw it here or here, it doesn't matter. Overshoots is an overshoot. Let's consider this gap up an overshoot. So now it has a decision to make. Is it going to break 47 and continue on higher? It's possible because of the change in the fundamental. I don't know exactly how long crude is going to stay low or oil is going to be depressed. I don't know how hedged they are. I don't know if they bought a refinery or not. So those are assumptions for somebody who fundamentally chases them. Technically, they're looking for a move. And if I came blind to this and they said you are forced to make a trade on this one, I'll take puts on it, just because it's looking like if it loses this level right here, that 42 can come quickly given this rise up. I'm not forecasting doom. It's just a 50-50 flip here as to how it's going to handle this level and this level. So 45 and lower, I'll start looking at puts. Higher than here, I'll start looking, okay, it wants to continue on higher. Let's zoom out to make sure we haven't missed any previous moves like this. Nope, we haven't. This is a 5-year chart, pretty steep, pretty impressive. And let me switch here and see if I can quickly come up with a weekly chart to eliminate all the noise. This will be 1 year weekly candles. And same story here. You can draw a line off of the top of the candles, and it may be even clearer here. These are crude lines, so something like that. It's got a channel that it wants to decide. Those are my thoughts on DAL is the ticker. The company is Delta Airlines.